Hey everyone, this is Eric at Palm Harbor Homes Factory Direct Outlet of Bryan. The summer's here, weather's getting warmer, but the savings are even hotter here at the Model Center. Save thousands of dollars on homes such as the Magnum here. Let's go take a look. For starters, how can you not fall in love with this kitchen area? Have a large island, you can sit a couple of people, tons of storage on the other side, and then tons of counter space with your stainless steel appliances. But most importantly, guys, well, at least for a big guy like me, take a look at this pantry. Look how huge this thing is. You can practically live in here. Take a look at the size of this master bedroom. Tons of space. You can easily fit a California king and still have plenty of room to play with. Lots of good natural lighting. And then good walk-in closet for closet 1. Yeah, you heard me. Closet 1. Then you walk into the double doors of the master bathroom. You have dual vanities. Beautiful modular decking tub here. And here's closet 2. Awesome walk-in shower with the raindrop shower head with the nozzle. Nice little bench there. And you walk into closet 3. And then for your gun safe, closet 4. That doesn't end the bathroom here, guys. Then you end up here with your vanity set with plenty of storage, nice seating area arrangement, and beautiful mirror. We'll walk down here and down our hallway to our bedrooms 2, 3, and 4. Here we have bedroom 2, 3, and 4. That's not the most important thing down here, the most exciting thing down here. You walk into second living area, your bonus family room. Huge, wide spaces, plenty of room. You're not going to be overcrowded. And you have your electric fireplace down here. Everyone, so there you have it. That's the Magnum 4-bedroom, 2-bath Palm Harbor home. Guys, these are not the trailers that you were thinking of in the past and the stigma of how they're built or anything like that. These are solidly well-built homes. Come in to see me. Let me show you why Palm Harbor. Save thousands of dollars. You owe it to your family. Give me a call, 979-775-7558. Again, it's Palm Harbor Homes Factory Direct Outlet of Bryan, where you can find the right place for the right price with the right people.